big news for PEPE Coin holders. A major prediction has just been made about PEPE's future, and it could change everything. Will PEPE become the next meme coin king, surpassing Shiba Inu and Dogecoin? Let's break down the latest updates, price action, and what experts are saying. A well-known crypto analyst has made a bold claim. PEPE could become a multi-billion-dollar meme coin by 2025. Some even believe PEPE might reach a $50 billion market cap, putting it alongside Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. If that happens, PEPE's price could eliminate 2 zeros, leading to massive gains for investors. PEPE has already seen huge growth in 2024, bouncing back after every dip and following a strong trend line. Recent listings on Coinbase and Robinhood have fueled speculation that PEPE could soon hit a new all-time high. These major exchange listings bring more exposure and increase buying pressure, making a price breakout more likely. Not everyone is optimistic, though. Some experts warn that many meme coins will disappear in the next market cycle, leaving only the strongest projects standing. According to predictions, investors will move away from weaker meme coins and shift towards solid ones like PEPE, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. If this happens, PEPE could see a long-term uptrend rather than just short-term hype. As we approach the next bull run, history tells us that many new coins will launch and fade away, but only a few will dominate the market. PEPE's current position and market momentum suggest that it could be one of the winners in this cycle. What do you think? Can PEPE reach a $50 billion market cap and become a top meme coin? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and we'll see you in the next one.